This is a 2008 Chevrolet Suburban. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a power sunroof, heated seats, a DVD player, an 8-speaker audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a navigation system, alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a leather interior, a trailer hitch receiver, a rear spoiler, running boards, OnStar, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 65,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Sewell Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2425 East 8th Street in Odessa.